this is Becky and part 4 of the kitchen organizing. This is the entertainment island. It also serves as a little eating bar area, but when we set up a large buffet, we don't necessarily use these, the seating area, and it gets all set with foods. It has drawers right here. Now I do tend to keep everything up here the same, and I use this. My bird has a, just for those who are worried about health and animal food safety, we have an extra little thing that goes around here. Her food is down here. And so, you know, all her food, seeds, things like that, pretty much stay in here. We do, anything that does happen to escape there goes in this, you know, falls in this little tray. So as long as people aren't eating out of this tray, we're good, which no one does. And then I also set plates up right here on this floral rack, and then some napkins, and then we set our dishes and things accordingly around the area. So let me show you how the drawers and the cabinets are set up. We'll go ahead and start at this end. All right, so when I have get-togethers or little parties and things like that, a lot of times they will bring a dish, and when they're done, they'll either split it up and share it with people, or they'll want to wrap up whatever they have brought. So sometimes they need foils and baggies and things like that. So it's easy to tell them that it's on the end drawer on the right, as opposed to third drawer from the right, and that sort of thing. So it's easy to say, so that's why it's stored in these two drawers here. And that's where I store all my Ziplocs, my saran wraps, my foils, and that type stuff. And then next to that are just these little disposable containers that you can get in the, like on the paper plate aisle and the foil aisles and things like that. And these are just little containers that have the attached lids. And these are just some paper sacks that, you know, you can bag up cookies, things like that to take. And so that is those first two drawers. And then this, and like I said, I'm sorry, I label everything. And this one is lighting. So anything to do with lighting, I have my candles, my tea lights here that I use for my sterno, or the chafing dishes down there, and other little candle and lighting areas. These are the little battery operated ones. And then I have all the different little lighters, the candle snuffers, birthday candles, taper candles, matches if these run out, or just if I need matches for any reason. This is just a storm candle. It lasts forever and a day. And then there are birthday indoor type sparklers right here. And then next to that is my what I call my labeling cabinet. It has labels here for, you know, if you have to, if I have a large group and we're learning names, I don't know everybody's names, they can wear a little name label. And this is just a chalkboard frame for, you know, maybe writing out a menu or a food item on it. And then these are smaller frames that I also might set next to a food. I'll put these on my drink containers, you know, lemonade, iced tea, things like that. These are just smaller little labels. I used to do children's, little girls' princess parties, and these were at each place setting to label their names, but I thought I could also use them to label certain foods. And then I keep a set of the paper doilies to line some of the plates with if I need to do that. And this is the only thing that does not pertain to labeling. Let me see if I can get this out with my hand. It's kind of heavy. This is not the box these came in, but I took them out of the box and put them in here because they fit perfectly. These are just little individual salt and pepper shakers. They did come in a box in a little plastic individualized clear tray. And so I kept that, but then I set the tray in this larger box, and I also filled it with rice. Living here in Texas, it's very humid, and salt kind of tends to clump together and get moist and won't shake properly. So I added the rice to help collect moisture and keep that salt dry. And then next to that is the serving utensils. And again, this is an expandable utensil type divider. And I don't even remember which one. One of the ones that I mentioned throughout the videos, Container Store, Walmart, Target. And so I have them divided up into, pie servers, sugar spoons, tongs. You get the idea. So that's what this is. And then I have a drawer with just plasticware. I prefer not to use paper products when we are, having a get-together. But if it's something informal and we have a large group, I like to use the plasticware. So that's there. And then going directly below that, the row of cabinets, as you can see right here, is all my glassware. I used to do weddings, so I have like 100 of everything. So back here are tea glasses and soup, or just bowls back here. Dessert-sized plates, dinner-sized plates, and little bowls for, nuts and other little condiments. And I like the clear because just like with weddings, you can use it for any theme and make it coordinate. So use lots of clear for entertaining. And then the cabinet next to that has these serving pieces. And this is all my chafeware. So it has either sterno cans or uses the little tea lights, which is why I have so many of them up there that set down underneath. I'm sure you're familiar with that style. And then back here, and it's very dark. I'll see if I can pull it out. It's I'm only showing you because it is a different type servingware, and depending on how formal or informal the entertaining is, I'll either use this style, and there's smaller pieces behind that. But then I also have the little stone iron stoneware for serving. So I keep that separate on the shelf back there. And I will just set that up there for now. And then the next cabinet is beverage related. And I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to show you that things are labeled. These are decanters, and they match that stoneware that I just showed you. And this is where I put tea, lemonade, whatever type drinks. And then the pieces that go with it. Stir sticks, a little canister here that I've labeled trash so that they can put their sugar packet trash in it. So this is sugar packets, and then this is just an antique juicer that I put cut up lemons or limes or whatever pertains to the beverages. And then a pitcher that I will put water and stuff in. A ice bucket, that is not a beverage related item, but back here are water or different pitchers, again, glass type clear pitchers. So that is it on the entertaining. I'll go ahead and show you. I'll probably try to do a separate entertaining type video, but let me go ahead and show you because I did mention that this will hold plates. And what I do is, I just grabbed a couple, but I will stack plates on either side of this. This is just a plant rack, and I turned it into a floral arrangement with some bread, artificial bread pieces in it, and an antique, that's an antique butter mold. And then I like to stack the plates down here and napkins, and I'll try to do a whole setup of how it's typically set up on another video. But for now, you kind of get the idea. Everything up here is useful and decorative at the same time. So that is it on the entertainment island. So that would be all of the items here in my kitchen and how I have it organized. Bye now.